Good afternoon, this is Chad and Dalton from Coyote Classics, and today we're back with another video on a beautiful classic. This is a 1962 Oldsmobile Super 88. Before we get into it, if you want to see price, pictures, more details, go to the website. I'll put the link in the description. Absolutely beautiful car we're going to be checking out today.
Yeah, just a show quality car. If you want something that just got cold air conditioning and just beautiful inside and out, this might be the car for you.
If you want something, you can put your grandkids in the back. Nope. A lot of room.
Yeah, super nice. And an awesome color combination, especially when we get into the interior on this thing. Wow, look at the engine bay, huh?
Beautiful restored car. It's got all the options the guy's going to want to.
Definitely. Power steering, working air conditioning, power brakes, got a Holly 4-barrel on it. Absolutely show quality under the hood. Nice little dual exhaust system, laser straight body. I mean, everywhere we look under the hood, I mean, it's even got the little, look at that.
The overflow
factory
bottom.
clips, yeah. Air conditioning belts are all new. I mean, you can just tell this car's had a ton of upkeep and then just a light cosmetic restoration.
And I love the 62 Olds. To me, it seems so ahead of its time for 1962. You know, when you think about all the power options this thing has, power seat, power windows, you know, air conditioning, and the whole design just seems so futuresque, you know, of a 62.
It's kind of the upscale model of the Impala. You know, that's how I look at it. Very similar to like the 62 Impala, but, you know, just a lot classier. And the torque thrust wheels really make it look cool too.
Yeah. How about this front end? Isn't that gorgeous? You know, it almost looks like two-piece there.
Ah, super cool. The stainless and trim on this car are impeccable as well. The grill's beautiful. Just the gaps and the hood lines. I mean, you're not going to get a car with any better gaps. Look at how the back of the hood meets the top of the fender and the back of the cowl there. The glass is super clear. But this is my favorite part of the car.
Interior.
Yes. I mean, this is what sold me on this car. I hope it comes in as clear as it does out in the sunny day, but the interior on this car is impeccable. It is. It's absolutely,
nice, well restored.
Yeah, absolutely show quality car. Even the steering wheel, it's just a cool design in the steering wheel as well. Like
one of the coolest things I've ever seen is that steering wheel.
Yeah, it's freaking neat.
Just really cool.
It's original too. It's got a few little hairline cracks on both sides of it, and the original radio, courtesy lights, rear defrost, air conditioning, power seat, power windows, everything freaking works on this car except for the clock, as far as I can tell. Inside the glove box, it's all super clean as well. You can tell original color combination. It's original paint still in the glove box, original sticker there. Door panels are mint. I mean, everything is just mint condition on it.
And nothing's perfect, especially in a 50, 60-year-old car, but it's very well restored, very well maintained.
Yeah. Paint quality in the door jambs is excellent. Carpet's really nice. Headliner is excellent. Now this is another option it had the chrome headliner bows, which is another cool option. Door panels in the back, top of the back package tray. You can see the rear defrost. All the interior lights work. Power windows work excellent. Rubbers and felts are all nice.
As far as I can tell on this one, you know, it looks to have pretty much every option you could get in a 62 Olds.
I don't know if they come with cruise or not. You know, maybe, who knows, maybe it would have had cruise if it had every option, but it's got to be pretty close. And check out the tail lights. Like everything on this car, like you said, it's like Back to the Future kind of car.
Yeah, it is.
You know, the steering wheel, the tail lights are super cool. You pointed out the front end. How about the trunk lid, how that curves around as well? And just really neat design. Back bumper, stainless, chrome, everything is excellent. Trunk lid, fit and finish is beautiful. Again, if you're looking for a show quality car, you can take to a car show, pop the trunk. The trunk's beautiful as well. Pop the hood, open the doors, and just let everyone's jaw drop.
Yeah. Is that rear defrost too?
Yeah, that's rear defrost. I kind of pointed that out a little bit. Were you kind of napping?
I was napping. I didn't notice.
Why don't you get the key and let's look in the trunk, because that's pretty damn impressive as well. This is a car you literally have to see to appreciate the condition of it. The way the door shuts lines up perfect as we go down here. See what I mean? See why I wanted you to open that? Look at the quality of the paint in here. The sound deadener in there. Super quality.
And it's got a matching torque thrust spare.
Nice. Yeah, you don't see that very often.
Nope.
It's got the jack and everything in there all tucked in nicely. Right here. All carpeted. It's the correct kind of style carpet. If we pull the carpet up, I mean, look, it's even all painted red and body color underneath. It's got all the correct cardboard lining in here. Very, very professional build, you guys. No bubbles, blisters, imperfections that I can see anywhere down low. The stainless down low has all been redone as well. Again, a Super 88. They made a 98, which is the bigger version, and the Super 88, which is like your Impala size. When they did the restoration, everything was taken out during the paint. All the bolts, all the latches. Gotta have the key on for the seat. Look at the pattern stuff in the seats as well. It's really nice. Again, your door jamb. Here's your, your fenders. Everything was taken off. Even the shims are all new. Bolts are new. There's no overspray on anything on this car that I can see. Carpet almost looks original as you kind of go in and out here. Car's got 83,534 miles, and like I said, they've got to be original. You can't restore a dash like this. This has got, oh, clock works. Wow. I said it didn't. It does work. It's crazy. What's this?
I don't know.
Oh, it's your air conditioning vent. So it blows out your center vent, but they didn't want just the grids in there. They wanted beautiful chrome.
And even one thing that I saw that was kind of just a neat detail by Old is, the parking brake light. Probably don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's got like a little light right there on the pedal. Yep, and I think Justin said it's got a light too that tells you when it's warmed up. When it's
it will. It's got the cold, hot, cold.
Which is cool.
Light, yep, Impala had the same thing. Look at that, and the parking brake light works.
Cool.
Dome lights all work in it. I'm just in awe about this car.
It's a neat car.
Gauge works.
Like I said, it just feels like it's kind of futuresque for 62.
So power seat works great, but it does not work. It doesn't work with key off.
Yeah, with key off, obviously. Yep.
Wipers are way over here. Kind of a neat little switch. 2-speed wiper. The dash pad is excellent. Speaker cover is perfect. Like I said, if you're a fussy person and you want something show quality, this is your car.
Radio works too.
Yeah, put the antenna up probably is all, but
yeah.
Rear defrost works.
Yep.
Hear it?
Yep.
I could sit around and play around with this thing all,
it's
all
kind of
day,
fun, isn't it?
Power windows. There's mine. Put them all up here. Here comes the radio. This takes a little bit to tune her in. Windows all go up really nicely and pretty quick. Power windows, factory power windows, they go up pretty fast. You shut it off?
Yeah, I shut it off.
Okay, we got to pull the antenna up a little bit. So this is a 3-speed automatic tranny. It's also nice to know a lot of them back in the day were the 2 speeds. So this is a 3-speed. Like you said, it's like a, I don't know how to describe it. If you're sitting right in here, I mean, this looks like mile deep.
Yeah, it's cool.
Super cool.
This thing's ride like a Cadillac too.
I'm so glad we bought this car. This is just phenomenal.
It's neat.
It's like a piece of art.
It really is, especially in this condition,
Here's our air conditioning. Recycled air. one thing, I have some bad news.
Oh boy.
I remember there's one thing on this car that does not work, and it's the spout. So I got to kind of figure out what's going on there. If it's just if it happens to be the cable, or if it's the sweeping head on it. There's air conditioning. We'll go ahead and shut that off.
Like I said, a lot of room too. You know,
Tons of room.
if you want to take your family along to a car show or something like that, I mean, this is the one to take. It's comfortable.
It is. Definitely is. I'll tell you what, that inch is pretty damn fast too.
Yeah, it is.
It's a great car. I mean, the steering is absolutely perfect on the car. Goes down the road great. Look at that.
I like it a lot. Just
You
super
can jump
cool.
in and drive it home. I mean, it is just phenomenal car. Brakes are perfect on it. I know. Stop you
dime.
right now. Idle's nice.
Like I said, if you're a fussy person but still want an old car, this is a good one to have.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
Transmission shifts good. Neck down works.
Check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. True classic.